probably better than that.
I will say this before we continue tonight. We've never put out a record and had so many people be like, I want to hear every song off of that record live. So we are playing a shit ton of songs off of that record. Before we continue, I gotta ask, who feels like they have the best howl, the best wolf howl? You hear? Hang on, quiet. Let's hear you, sir. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
That's
What over here?
respect.
Anyone good wolf howl? You feel confident? Ma'am? You feel good? Let's do it. Let's hear it.
Pretty good.
That's really
Kind
excited.
of sounded like a girl who just
Tiny baby wolf. Everyone on three, let me hear your best wolf sound. Go. 1, 2, 3. I sort of think it should be like more of one of those like. Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Alex, I can't contribute. The only wolf I have going on is the one in my pants. Okay, so I cannot contribute to this. I refuse.
What about Wolf Blitzer? That's a good one. So on three. Ow, ow, ow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You should have fucking known.